In this video, we are going to learn how interactive English lessons can make language learning easier, more enjoyable, and more effective. Many students find traditional English lessons boring and difficult to follow. But when lessons are interactive, students stay focused, practice more, and learn faster. Today, we'll explore what interactive lessons are, why they are useful, and how you can include them in your daily learning routine. Whether you're learning at home or in a classroom, these ideas will help you improve your English in a fun and active way. What are interactive English lessons? Interactive English lessons are lessons where the learner is fully involved in the learning process. Instead of only listening to the teacher or reading books, students participate in speaking, listening, role plays, games, group discussions, and using digital tools. These activities help learners stay active and make the learning process more natural. In simple words, interactive lessons are not just about learning from the teacher, but also about learning by doing. They include activities that require students to think, speak, listen, and respond. This method is more effective than passive learning. Why are interactive lessons better? There are many reasons why interactive English lessons are better for learners. 1. Active participation. When students participate in a lesson, they remember more. If a student just listens, they may forget. But if they speak, play, or work in groups, they will understand and remember the lesson better. 2. Practice speaking and listening. Interactive lessons give more chances to speak English. Speaking with others helps build confidence and improves pronunciation. Listening to classmates or audio helps with understanding native English. 3. Reduces fear and shyness. Many learners feel shy when speaking English. But when they are part of group activities or games, they forget their fear and become more confident. 4. More fun and motivation. Learning through games, videos, role plays, or apps makes lessons more fun. When students enjoy learning, they are motivated to keep going. 5. Improves problem solving and thinking skills. Interactive lessons often include questions, discussions, and challenges. These activities help students think in English, not just translate from their own language. Types of interactive English lessons. There are many different ways to make English lessons interactive. Let's look at some of the most common and useful methods. On role plays, students act like they are in real situations, such as ordering food in a restaurant or asking for directions. This helps them use practical English and prepare for real life. 2. Group discussions. In small groups, students talk about topics like travel, school, or hobbies. This improves speaking and listening skills and helps learners think in English. 3. Language games. Games like word matching, sentence building, or vocabulary bingo make learning more exciting. They also help remember new words and grammar. 4. Question and answer sessions. Teachers or students ask questions and others answer. This practice helps improve thinking and responding quickly in English. 5. Using videos and apps. Watching English videos or using apps like Duolingo or BBC Learning English helps students learn with real voices and real situations. It also helps improve listening skills. Check storytelling. Students tell short stories or personal experiences in English. It builds creativity and confidence while practicing sentence formation and vocabulary. 7. Online class activities. In online classes, teachers use polls, quizzes, chat boxes, and breakout rooms to make lessons interactive. These tools help keep students engaged. How to use interactive lessons in self-study. Even if you're not in a classroom, you can still make your English learning interactive. Here's how. 1. Practice speaking daily. Talk to yourself in English, record your voice, and listen to it. Try to improve your pronunciation and fluency. 2. Use English learning apps. There are many free and useful apps for learning vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Use them daily for practice. 3. Watch English videos and repeat. Watch English shows or YouTube videos. Pause and repeat what you hear. Try to copy the accent and sentence structure. 4. Join online language exchange. Talk with native English speakers or other learners through websites like Tandem or Hello Talk. It's a great way to practice real conversation. 5. Create your own role plays. Imagine you are in a shop or at the airport. Speak both parts of the conversation out loud. This helps you prepare for real situations. 6. Play English games online. Word games like crosswords, word searches, or memory games help build vocabulary while keeping learning fun. Tips to get the most out of interactive lessons. To make the best use of interactive learning, follow these tips. Be active. Don't just watch or listen. Speak, write, and take part in the lesson. Be regular. Practice every day, even for 20 minutes. Regular practice gives faster results. Don't fear mistakes. Making mistakes is part of learning. Focus on improving, not being perfect. Record your progress. Keep a notebook or audio diary. It helps you see your improvement. Use English in daily life. Talk in English with friends, write your to-do list in English, or describe your day in English. What makes a good interactive lesson? A good interactive lesson has clear goals, fun activities, and gives every student a chance to speak or participate. It should also be suitable for the learner's level. The teacher should give feedback, correct mistakes politely, and encourage students to try again. Also, lessons should include a mix of listening, speaking, reading, and writing activities to build all skills together. Ending what we learned today. In today's video, we learned that interactive English lessons are a powerful way to improve language learning. These lessons keep learners active, confident, and interested. We discussed different types of interactive activities like role plays, games, and discussions. We also shared ways to make your self-study more interactive using apps, videos, and practice techniques. By making your English learning more interactive, you can enjoy the process and achieve fluency more quickly. So don't just sit and study speak, play, and participate. That's how language learning becomes not just easy, but fun too. Keep practicing and stay motivated. Interactive learning is the key to success in English.